It's Tay Guys Cadillacs, even though we in the Chrysler. All right, what is up, YouTube? We back with another video, and today we finna be swapping the hood on the Nissan Sentra. What y'all boys think about that? Ha! Nissan. The hood is dented on this Joker. Yeah, mighty accident. It's dirty too. But we went and got us a fresh, clean OEM hood. You know what I'm saying? Chrysler was dead because I ain't started it in almost a month. But we just jump started that bad boy, got it aired up. And now we are gonna be walking you boys through swapping this hood. All right. Yeah, we also probably gonna do a whole nother video sliding to the, we definitely taking the Chrysler through the car wash today. So let's see. All right, let's get right into it. This should be a quick video swapping this hood. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. We gotta replace that mirror too, that's all right. Get some new hubcaps for that Joker, that's all right. A little dusty, a little dirty. All right, so now what you gonna wanna do is open the hood, you know what I'm saying? Get your little hood latch, boom. It's gonna be just 4 simple bolts. Unfortunately, I started working on it before I thought, let's make this a YouTube video, so boom, 4 bolts is already unbolted. It's them bad boys right there. And on this side, it's them bad boys right there. Also, another tip, y'all boys, make sure y'all remember that. Hey, only Nissan CVT fluid or your transmission will be done for, buddy. No regular ATF4, none of that other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Got us a cheap mini battery. It's dusty, it's dirty, it's all right, but all right. Okay, so this is what I was working on over here. Just taking the bolts off the next two, off the new hood. Already took those 2 off, and this one I'm using too. I got me a young cordless ratchet strap, hyper tough. Also, make sure y'all boys go. I did a review on this too. See, it got a little light, you know what I'm saying? All of that, battery charged, 12-volt max. Boy, it don't get no better than that. You heard me? Chrysler way, you feel me? Watch my hit the car wash. Yeah, so I don't know if I ain't vlogged in a while and did this with one hand, but let's see. Boom. It's gonna be like a little 5-minute video. You know we in the parking garage on room. All right, let's set this Joker up. And you're cooked. I'm in the middle of the video. I'm already halfway through though. Here,
how long is it gonna take? I was supposed to take the Nissan.
Next 5 minutes, not even. What's it called? I was gonna go to the store in the Chrysler too. Here, you wanna come hold this pole while I lift this up?
It's on my bag though.
For sure. Hey, y'all boys, Nissan tat on the way, you feel me? Nah, low key, y'all boys drop a comment. Should I get another Broom Coupe de Elegance, or should I get the young a triple black 79 Broom 4-door?
Already disconnected?
Yeah, I already did all that. Just hold this pole and I'm gonna lift it up. It's a lot harder. Or actually, let's set this pole down and then you grab a side, I grab a side.
Oh my god.
There, just lift it up. Alright, now just go your way.
Boy, you sound like to be a mechanic.
Alright, and then pretty much do the same thing with
Now look.
damn, we kicked all of this. bolts, but your hands got dirty. I'm so sorry.
You're not sorry. This
Alright, come grab this side, then we'll be done fast. Swap my little mouse control on there.
Now you got my shit full crooked.
Damn, it's on the wrong way because I had to jump start the crisis.
It's been on the wrong way.
It is facing this on the wrong side.
What you mean?
It had to look at me, flipping it the right way. Oh. Oops.
If you would just listen to me sometimes, you wouldn't.
It was flipped the wrong way. You
It
just see me.
wasn't. It wasn't. The fuck? It really wasn't. Damn.
Golly.
I seen this shit flip the right way.
Okay, now hold on. Hold on.
I'm just trying to put this in.
Or here, while I hold it right there. Here, go back. Put this back up.
Who's the real mechanic? He didn't even know it's flipped the right way. Yeah, it's turned the whole thing around to the way it was positioned already.
Yeah, I don't know what Damn. Okay. Now, are you holding this side still? Okay, just stay like that. Damn, that's the thing too. I don't even know if it's aligned. That's what. Or it's obviously aligned because it can only align one way because the screw hole is only one. I need 4 extra bolts.
You strapping this for money?
I was gonna throw it right there in the garbage can.
What can I get for it?
Shit, they said you would need 200 pounds just to get $20. I already looked it up. And what happened? And that's all she wrote. Well, let me first let me test it. See if it'll close. Perfect. Y'all boys, y'all know what time it is, boy. Y'all look at you. Here, or anyway.
Don't even go there.
It don't, but it could. I wanted to make sure these connections was like.
You have to tighten these bolts. We'll go wash my hands.
Yep. This will need a full detail. That's what you call a job well done, man. Oh wow, look at man's must have hit the ball, hit the roof. All right, y'all boys. What? Gotta wash it, but watch, it'll look a lot cleaner. I might have to make a whole nother video. All right, y'all boys, make sure y'all look out for the next vid, and we out.